Namaskaram, Bengaluru!
Today, we are exploring one of India's most important technology hubs, Electronic City. Home to over 200 plus technology companies, hundreds of startups, and lakhs of professionals working every day. Companies like Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Siemens, etc. are the technology giants who has offices here. Every morning, this area literally becomes a city inside a city. But reaching here wasn't always easy. Few people know this. Electronic City was actually planned back in 1978 by Karnataka State Electronics Development Corporation, commonly known as KIONIX. At that time, the government had a simple vision. Instead of industries spreading randomly across Bangalore, they wanted to build one dedicated township for electronics and technology companies. That bold decision completely changed Bangalore's future. Today, Electronic City spans more than 800 acres across multiple phases. What started with a handful of factories has now become one of Asia's biggest IT ecosystems. But success created a huge problem: traffic. Anyone who worked in Electronic City remembers spending more time inside buses and cars than at home. Silkboard Junction became one of India's most infamous traffic bottlenecks. A journey of just 15 to 18 kilometers could easily take well over an hour during peak traffic. For years, people joked that they could finish a movie before reaching the office, and honestly, it wasn't far from reality. Then came the biggest transformation. The elevated expressway connecting Electronic City to Silkboard dramatically improved road connectivity. And now the Namma Metro Yellow Line has added a complete new option for commuters. Instead of being stuck in traffic below, thousands of passengers can now travel above the congestion on dedicated metro tracks. For many daily commuters, travel times have become much more predictable and significantly shorter than before, especially during peak hours. For a city like Bangalore, that's a massive change. So the next time someone tells you Bangalore is only about traffic, show them this. Electronic City is proof that cities can evolve. From empty land to India's technology powerhouse to a metro connected smart business district, this transformation has taken decades and it's still continuing. Every day, thousands of students walk into this campus with one goal: to land a job in the IT companies you can actually see from here. This is PES University Electronic City campus, strategically located in the middle of Bangalore's biggest technology hub. The campus offers modern classrooms, research labs, sports facilities, hostels, and dedicated spaces for innovation, preparing students for careers in engineering, AI, data science, management, and more. With Electronic City continuing to expand every year, studying here means learning in one of India's fastest growing technology ecosystems. When you think of Bangalore's skyline, Banshankari probably isn't the first place that comes to mind. But hidden on top of one of South Bangalore's highest natural ridges is a residential community unlike anything else in the city. This is the Promont by Tata Housing. Instead of flattening the hill, the entire development was carefully designed around the existing terrain, allowing many homes to enjoy panoramic views of Bengaluru that are becoming increasingly rare. Believe it or not, you are still in Bengaluru. Hidden above the busy streets of Bengaluru is a hilltop temple that many people drive past without ever visiting. This is Shungagiri Sri Shanmukha Swami Temple, dedicated to Lord Subramanya, also known as Lord Murugan, the Hindu god of courage, wisdom, and victory. Perched on Shungagiri hill, the temple offers not only a peaceful spiritual atmosphere but also sweeping views of South Bengaluru from the top. As you climb towards the temple, the noise of the city gradually fades away, replaced by calm surroundings and beautifully crafted Dravidian style architecture. Whether you are visiting to seek blessings, admire the architecture, or simply enjoy the panoramic city views, this hidden hilltop temple is one of Bengaluru's most peaceful places to experience.